Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. Look at that friends, here lot of color cars, too many color cars here. Look at that, also helicopter, plane, lot of car. Look at that, it's a luxury bus. Wow. It's a red color. Okay. Let's see next one. Next one is McQueen.
We need to loosen those ancient joints. First, the wheels. And forward, and rest, and forward, and rest. Join me, rest.
Wow, it's a school bus. You look. Color. Wow. Okay, next one is Sheriff.
Where's your lawyer? I don't know. Tahiti, maybe. He's got a timeshare there.
When a defendant has no lawyer, the court will assign one to him. Hey!
McQueen. Wow. La 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 la. Next one is luxury bus. Wow, it's a green color. Look at that, friend. Just look, wow, white and green colors, luxury bus. Wow. Next one is McQueen Louise. Wow.
Oh! I'm starting to think he knew you was gonna crash. Thank you, Mater.
Dark color. It's the plane. Wow. Okay, let's see. Next one is helicopter. Wow. Superb. It's a blue and it's zip car. Look at that. Green. Secure. Okay, next one is city bus. Look at that. Just look, friends. It's red color city bus. Wow. Just awesome color. Okay. Next one is mixer truck. Wow.
Mixer and I'm big and strong. I mix concrete and I pour it on. I'm a concrete mixer and I'm big and strong.
Looking awesome and cute. Wow, it's the excavator truck. It's auto. crane. Wow, look at that yellow color. Look at that, friend. It's a police school bus. Wow, it's police school bus. Wow, look awesome. And last one is transports container car. It's a transports container car. Wow. Oh no, yes. Thank you, friend, for watching. Please subscribe.